This is gonna blow your mind. Pets and bizarre sounds, a match made in comedy heaven. Ready for some giggles? Meet my dog Sir Barks-a-Lot. He's usually the king of cool, but today I introduced him to the Quackinator 3000. One honk of this thing and boom! Instant chaos. First he stared like it was an alien invasion. Then the tail wagged at warp speed. And finally, the piece de resistance. The zoomies. I mean, who knew a duck sound could unlock his inner Usain Bolt? But wait, it gets better. Enter our cat Whiskers. She gave the Quackinator her best not impressed face. But a second quack? She was off like a rocket too. Moral of the story? Pets and funny sounds are the ultimate combo for laugh-out-loud moments. Try it with your furry friend and thank me later. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more pet hilarity.